Grandstaff Campground is located on Scenic Byway 128, 3 miles east from its junction with State Road 191. The campground is situated on the south bank of the Colorado River, about 5 miles northeast of Moab, Utah. The campground is operated by the BLM. Amenities include a picnic table and fire ring in each site. 2 vault toilets and a dumpster are located in the campground. There is no water, power, or dump station available in the campground. Water is located at the junction of the 128 and 191 at the Lions Park. There are 16 sites in the campground, most of which are right along the river. All of the sites are first come, first served. The maximum RV length allowed in the campground is 24 feet, making the campground popular with tents, vans, and smaller motorhomes. As of the spring of 2019, cost for the individual sites is $20 a day, in cash or check only. Checks are payable to the Department of the Interior. Individuals with a Senior National Parks Pass or an Access National Parks Pass are eligible for half off the camping fee. There is a 14-day camping limit, then campers must move a minimum of 30 air miles. Pets are allowed but must be leashed. The campground is open year-round. No firewood gathering is allowed. Firewood may be purchased in Moab. Generator hours are from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Quiet hours are from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Checkout time is noon. Sites in the park fill early, and it can be difficult to obtain a site here. The William Grandstaff Trailhead is located across Highway 128 from the campground. The Porcupine Rim Trail is also located across Highway 128 from the campground. The Porcupine Rim Trail is very popular with mountain bikers. If this campground review is helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to get to know me, Angie, and Jazz a little bit better, please subscribe to our channel. Take care and safe travels!